people made their videos yesterday about the snow, but I was too comfy in my house and didn't want to come out. But here are to look at my back patio area. I took the time to wrap up my plants. This here is the strawberry tower from the stackable pots that I got at the Dollar Tree. And I put a bag over it. A fire pit. Some of my other things that I wrapped up. My hydrangea. And there's a couple of other things that along the fence there. I have some winter sowing. I'm not venturing out there to actually show it, but there's that. I'm at the grill. Behind the grill I have two pots, that's where I put my blueberries. I had some blueberry bushes and I wrapped those up. I don't know if you can tell from here. This box has some sugar snap peas in it. I don't know how they're doing. You hear the crunch because it's now iced over. My box over there. My container of soils and these winter sowing containers that I have here and here. Yeah, there's some containers in there. There's a little something happening in there. But yeah, nothing. So yeah, I just wanted to come out and have a look-see. It's beautiful, really beautiful out here.